I started hating my mother tongue because it was way too hard for me. So I wanted something way simpler. So I decided to learn Mandarin.
So, how did you study English?
I never had English classes until like high school, where I learned it from movies, not friends. I know everyone else learned it from friends. It was the same way as I learned German. I learned it from watching Naruto in German. But this one, then I started watching animes in English. I guess because we changed the channels from German to English.
Cousins. So some of them were from the city, and I'm from the rural areas. So I was watching them reading some books and comedies, and then reading that I asked them what does it mean? And they did not explain to me. So I felt mad. Love it. Because I feel like a little bit disregarded, so I just studied from that moment. When I know the result was successful, was the time that there's a guy coming into my hometown, and he asked where's the highway, and I told them, the highway is this way, and then he understood me, and I was like, damn, it's finally paid off.
From songs, I was listening to many audiobooks, and I met a lot of Peace Corps volunteers too. People who come to different countries to teach English about their culture. I think for about 2 years, and then they become your friends.
I learned English in school, and then I did a year abroad before I started university, where I really got to practice my English because I was living with Canadians.
So in my country, we have 2 official languages, English and Swahili. Swahili is like the common language that everyone speaks all the time. But English is just the official language used by the president when giving speech or the parliament and stuff. So because English is the official language, then we have to learn it in school. I learned English in nursery school. And we use English as our curricular language to learn all the languages.
I started hating my mother tongue because it was way too hard for me. So I wanted something way simpler. So I decided to learn Mandarin. But that didn't work out well for me. So as you can guess, I stuck with English.
So I've always wanted to learn English. And then in middle school, when I was Googling, there was no free courses, no Duolingo really. And I downloaded a PDF and it was super foreign and hard to understand English. So I didn't, this was middle school. And then in high school, my government created a program and they're like, for anyone who wants to learn English, you just have to commit to studying 2 hours of English every day. So every day they'll send a teacher and you'd spend 2 hours in the classroom. But this was a lot because I already studied from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. in school. So now I would spend from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. in school. And I did that for a year and a half and it was super, super fun. It was kind of challenging in the beginning. None of my friends were doing it, so I had to do it alone. And I think the biggest thing for me was just trying to talk a lot. I remember that my mom would be like, I think you're going crazy because I would go to the bathroom, take a shower, and then I would speak to myself. And not only speak, I would play conversations. So I would do voice A and voice B, and then I would be talking to myself in English. And then I would walk in the streets and speak in English because I couldn't think in English yet. And then later I was like, English is mind-blowing. So I started teaching English to other kids for free for a while and then for very cheap for a while. So it was really cool.
How did you study English?
I studied English by being a baby.